Hi everyone, I'm Valeria, a professional teacher, and welcome to my channel Russian Easily. Today I'm going to tell you about basic grammatical topic as a gender of nouns. Gender of nouns is extremely important topic because all of the rest of the grammar will be based on this context. By the way, I want to say right away that in Russian language there are no articles of nouns like in English language or French language, for example, but all nouns have gender, like adjectives, verbs as well will be based on gender of nouns. So, there are three gender of nouns: masculine, feminine and neuter. How can you determine gender of nouns? It's not so hard. Let's start with masculine gender. Almost all masculine words has a zero ending. What do I mean? The consonant in the end of the word. Stol. L is consonant, so it's masculine. Dom. M is consonant, so it's masculine. You can say on dom. Мальчик. K is consonant, so it's logical. Мальчик is masculine. Он мальчик. Чемодан. N is consonant, so it's masculine. Он чемодан. Музей. Й consonant. Музей masculine gender. So, as you can see, all masculine words are similar, so these words end in consonant. But move on. What about feminine gender? Feminine gender, so you also recognize because almost all words has a vowel in the end, a or ya. The simplest word, mama, you can say a in the end, so it's feminine. You can say она, mama. Квартира, a in the end, so it's feminine. Квартира, она. Река, a in the end, so it's feminine. Семья, я in the end, я, so it's feminine. Семья, она. Книга. Книга is feminine, so you can say a in the end. And all countries, cities have a gender as well. Москва, a in the end. Москва, она, feminine. Санкт-Петербург. G is consonant, so it's masculine. Он, Санкт-Петербург, он. So, not only people, animals have a gender, also things, items have a gender as well. All things like material or abstract things. Also, we have a neuter gender, like оно. So, neuter gender, you can see е, о in the end. Море. Е in the end, so it's neuter. Море, оно. Письмо. You can say о in the end. Письмо, оно. Окно. What do you see? О in the end, so it's neuter. Солнце. Е in the end of this word, so it's neuter. Солнце, оно. So you can recognize what is the gender of the word if you will remember this rule. But it's not all. What about words with soft sign in the end? What is it? Masculine or feminine or maybe neuter? These words could be masculine and feminine. So in this case you just should remember these words or use a dictionary. For example, дождь. You can see soft sign in the end. It's masculine. Just remember. Тетрадь. Soft sign, it's feminine. День. Masculine. Лень. Feminine. Любовь. Feminine. But all names of months are masculine. For example, январь, он, masculine. Апрель, он, it's masculine. Июль, декабрь, etc. All months are masculine. There is a small rule which will help you to recognize what is the gender of the word. If you see soft sign after hissing consonant like zh, ch, sh, sh, if you see soft sign after these letters, is feminine. Ночь. You can see soft sign after ch, hissing sound ch. So it's feminine. Ночь, она. Дочь. Soft sign after ch from this group. Ж, ш, ч, щ. So it's feminine. Вещь. Soft sign after щ. Feminine. Вещь, она. Помощь. Also feminine, because soft sign after sh. And so, if you see the word with a hissing consonant in the end without soft sign, so it's masculine. It's a rule like zero ending, consonant in the end. And last mark about words with the ending r or ya, like feminine, but it's masculine. Only few words. Мужчина, папа, дедушка, дядя, юноша. You can say R or ya in the end, but it's masculine. Also, I have to say about informal form of male names with the ending R or ya. For example, Ivan, it's male name, but short form informal name Vanya. Vanya, it's masculine, it's Ivan. Dmitry, it's Dima, the ending R, but it's boy or man. Nikolai, short form of this name Коля. Коля, он, masculine. So it's only few examples of male names like this. Usually informal name with the ending R or ya, like this. So let's summarize. Words with a consonant in the end are masculine. Дом, чемодан, музей, стол, мальчик are masculine. An exception. Мужчина, папа, дядя, дедушка, юноша. Words with R or ya in the end are feminine. Книга, мама, река, квартира, семья. And neuter gender. О or е in the end. Море, письмо, окно, солнце and also metro are neuter. Words with soft sign in the end could be masculine or feminine. Please learn this word. Дождь – masculine. Дверь – feminine. And now a little practice for you. I will say some words. You try to determine gender of this word. Телефон. What is gender? Masculine. Девочка. What do you think? A in the end, feminine. Лампа. What is it? Feminine gender. Шкаф. What can you say in the end? Шкаф. Masculine, because F is consonant. Лето. Лето. Or in the end, neuter. Ночь. You can see soft sign after hidden consonant. Ночь, она, feminine. Ключ. Zero ending, masculine. And homework for you. Look at the things around you and write down in the comments what is the thing and what is the gender of these words. See you!